Okay guys, so we're gonna work here, okay? Omar is gonna stuff my leg, step over my leg, and as soon as he does, I'm gonna put the hook behind his butt, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold on to his collar, I'm gonna take my hand, and I'm gonna transfer it to his knee, okay? So, I'm holding on to his knee right here, just so he cannot drop the weight, and he can't go to a knee cut, okay? I have good control on his leg like this, all right? So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull him to me with my foot around his butt and the collar, okay? I'm gonna make him post his hands. I'm gonna bring him up this way. Now I'm gonna elevate him and I'm gonna push the knee to the sky, okay? Because he's here now, I take my leg and I'm gonna bring my leg all the way. Yeah, right there. So here, okay? I'm gonna shoot my left leg through the gap like I'm going to X guard. I'm gonna go all the way through and I'm gonna steal the figure 4. Okay? But I'm elevating Omar upwards like this. Okay? So this position here, like when I put the person in the honey hole like this, doesn't mean I'm gonna knee bar him. I can use this to effectively sweep him, okay? Brown belts, black belts, you guys are allowed to knee bar. Okay? Anybody below that, you have to use the sweep. So what I'm gonna do now, my right knee is gonna open up, okay? I'm gonna use his knee and this hand like I'm bench pressing him. And I'm gonna send Omar so I can sweep him. I go like this, and I follow him up, okay? When I follow him up, I gotta steal with my right hand, catch the underhook, press his knee to the floor, and I'm gonna take a grip right here behind his collar, okay? So when you guys take a grip on the collar like this, don't pull this way, okay? Turn your thumb to the sky. You're a lot stronger pulling like this than you are pulling like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go twist the gi. It wraps his shoulder nice and tight. My head position comes down. I staple with my right hook so his leg cannot move. And then I post my leg. Okay, now I have a really good position where I can stabilize and start passing the guard. Okay, so again, we're gonna enter right off the knee cut defense. So I'm going here, he stuffs my leg, I hook behind. Catch his knee, okay? I'm gonna go here, I pull Omar up, I lift, shoot my leg through, triangle, push him over, I steal the underhook, and I tripod, nice and high, okay? I'm gonna bury Omar's arm so it's up high against his head. My head is going next to his head here in this position, and I'm gonna stop right here, okay? The other thing, sometimes you guys get to this position, you'll go like this. I'll go here, elevate him, I'll go to the figure 4, I sweep him over. Sometimes we get stuck here, okay, where I couldn't come fully on top. But it is extremely hard or easy to come on top and sweep him. I keep my legs locked, I hold this, I post. It's hard for him to stop this because of his leg position, okay? So now I'm gonna pivot, I just pivot. As soon as I get to here, I pivot, I hug again, drop my head, post, and I'm in a good position again. Okay? So if you don't have the momentum, you're gonna go like this, like a teeter-totter. You're gonna push, and you're gonna push your hips. Try to catch yourself to have enough momentum that you can follow him up to the top. Okay? If you stop, then just pivot. One more time. I hold, I go, 1, steal, sweep him over, and then I go heavy here. You guys understand? Yes. Okay, let's go. 1, 2.